We see the CPU temperature begin to rise as soon as we take off the CPU fan. The temperature climbs from 40 to 50 to 60 and even 70 degrees Celsius within seconds. Eventually, the CPU gets to a temperature that's too hot, and the system will automatically shut off, as we see here. The last recorded temperature on the screen was only like 76 degrees, so to pressure test that, I add a droplet of water on the CPU right after it shut down. Almost immediately we see that the water droplet actually begins to boil. That's awesome. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, which means the CPU is clearly over 100 degrees. This is why thermal paste and proper CPU cooling is so important to keep this guy from getting too hot.
In the early 20s, aeronauts strove to perfect a strange windmill on wheels called the helicopter. This French model flew for only a few precarious moments and never got as high as an elephant's eye. Yet its achievement was a new world record and an important advance in aviation. Pile for the wood, she's running wild. A pilot could easily lose his head if he ran in the wrong direction. Early helicopters were dangerous. Careful, men. Watch out for tricks. In Detroit, the first umbrella helicopter makes its bow. As light as lead and cast iron could make her, this undergrown carousel was supposed to jump into the air. Try this on your next hangover.